Hi friend, I think we're going to make one more modification to this circuit before we go to the next step. I think it'll make it more modern, more useful, but we'll see. We're just going to try it, and it's a big experiment, and I think we'll like it. All right, let's get started. You remember we put these two 1 meg resistors in. That was for when you add a true bypass system to it, that it will pop less. We may not need it, but we're going to leave them in the circuit. If we don't like how it affects the circuit, we'll just pull them out. That way it'll be more like the original circuit, but we're gonna leave it in the schematic for right now. And we're going to make a change. What we're going to do is we're going to get the trash, and we're going to rip out these traces right here. We're going to add a part. This is going to be the double pole, double throw switch we're going to use. This one's going to go right here, and this one's going to go right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to wire in the original capacitors to the number 1 lug of each one of the switches. So let's put these back in. That way the originals will still be on when we have it in the first position. And what we're going to do is simply add 2 more capacitors, one here and one here. And we're going to give them a value of 1 microfarad, both of them. That way it'll be more of a full range pedal instead of cutting out so much bass. If we run into an issue where it just has too much bass and it's woofy, we can lower the values of those until we get it just perfect. All right, let me put these together. And we'll go to here and here. Don't forget this one. All right, let's run that electrical rule check. Make sure everything's connected. Part switch 1 has no value. Let's give it a value. Let's call this beef. All right. Let's run this again. No errors or warnings. Let's save it. Hey, thanks. I appreciate you stopping by. I'll talk to you soon.